friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic.
Hey friends, guess what's rolling, flying, floating and zooming into today's adventure? Something super cute is waiting just around the corner. You're going to love meeting them. Stay with me because one of these little friends has a surprise talent. Today we are exploring the magical world of transport friends, a cheerful bus, a speedy car, a brave helicopter and a happy boat and even a cheerful hot air balloon. And that's not all. I will also be sharing 5 fun facts about these amazing travel buddies. So get ready for giggles, energy and lots of smiles. Fun fact number 1. Buses can carry entire classrooms. A full-size bus can take 50 to 60 people on an adventure together, making it one of the best group travel buddies. Fun fact number 2. Cars blink their eyes like us. Those little lights that turn on when cars are turning, they are called indicators and they help cars talk on the road. Fun fact number 3. Helicopters can fly straight up like magic. Unlike airplanes, the helicopter can go straight up, down or even hover in one spot, just like a dragonfly. Fun fact number 4. Boats float because of a superpower called buoyancy. Even big boats stay on water because their shape pushes water down, helping them float like a gentle leaf. Now the last one, fun fact number 5. Hot air balloons rise because warm air is lighter. When the air inside the balloon gets warm, it becomes lighter than the air outside, making the balloon lift gently into the sky. Thank you so much for watching, my amazing little friends. I hope you enjoyed meeting our transport buddies and loved all the fun facts too. You had fun today? Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like because more happy adventures are on the way. See you in the next joyful journey.
Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.